Alright, part 2 of the video, we're gonna do this part here, the text fields, where the users are gonna set the values of the equations. So there's a thing here that I didn't mention before. Here, besides the elements are here vertically stacked, they're also horizontally stacked. So you have text here, text field here. This is the thing we're gonna do. So let's go to Swift Playgrounds and okay, so what's the plan? We're gonna have here a piece of text, a equals, and then a space for users to set the values. And these values are gonna be saved on computer's memory. So to do so, we're gonna create variables to it. Okay, we need to make the computer to store these variables. So here, under this part of the structure, the content view, I'm gonna open some space here. So what I'm gonna do here, we're gonna create state variables. Okay, so these variables are going to store the inputs from the users, and the computer is also going to watch the state of those variables every time it changes. So let's get started. So starting here, oops, sorry, not this, going back, I need to add, okay, add state variable, guys, state variables, they start, state variables, capital letters, okay? State variable, the first variable, I'm gonna name it A. I'm gonna tell the computer that it's gonna accept doubles. Okay, sorry, double, first one. And right now it's gonna receive the value of 0.0. Okay, it's gonna accept decimal number. So let's copy this friend here to use it in the future. Okay, copy. I need 2 more times because I need the values for A, B, and C. Okay, let's see. There's a message of error here because they have the same name. So let's change it. A, B, and C. Okay. Messages of error have disappeared. Okay, what am I going to do with that right now? So here inside of this VStack, under the text, that's gonna be here, but inside of the VStack, I'm gonna do my first trick. Here. Okay, here I'm gonna create a horizontal stack. Okay, curly brackets. And here I'm gonna stack 2 objects. First is a piece of text. Okay, here I'm gonna call it A is equals to something. Can you see? It's white here. Let's modify it. Okay, I modify the font. Which kind of font do I use? I'll just make it bold. No, I think I have to change that. Just 1 dot, guys, not 2. Foreground color. Black. Okay, it's cool the way it is already. It's fun. It's okay. Good. I like it. Okay, what am I gonna do? Under the text, I will do a text field. So when I start typing text field, you can see that the computer is giving me some options. Okay, so I'm gonna look for one that gives the option change the formatter. So it's this one here, I believe. Okay, so I'm gonna tap on this one. key. Great. Look at this. Title key. It's A. Okay, it's gonna be A inside. And the value here, it's saying like binding. The binding element, we use this money symbol to bind element. So when you tap that, it was supposed to appear here in the suggestion. So I'm gonna write here A. You see that's different color. Oops, sorry, I deleted everything. Okay, it's binding with the variable A we have done here on the top. Great. And the formatter here, we're gonna write number formatter. So when you start writing number, I have the option here. We're gonna choose the second one with the round brackets. Now our text field accepts numbers. Let's apply some modifiers. Okay, I want to change the text style because the way every time I tap, there will be keyboard first. I want to have the keyboard numbers first, not alphabet numbers. Okay, so text field style. So dot and first the style. Yes, round border. Look what happens. I have like this border first. Great. Next thing, keyboard type. Yes, the thing I was talking before. Keyboard type. We're gonna use number pad. Okay. And I think it'd be a good idea to frame this text field because it's too big. So let's go here, frame. And then we have the possibilities to change the width and the height of it. So what's going to be the first one? So inside of the round brackets, we're going to start right width. Tap on it. There's a suggestion here of 100. The way it looks like here, it's good already. I'm going to keep like that. So keep 100. Great. And the height. And okay, I'm gonna write here 30 just to see what happens. Well, nothing changed. Okay, I'll keep like this. Next, maybe I can align this 0 here. That's too much to the left. Let's see. Multi-line text alignment. It was the first suggestion. So when I tap on dots to add the modifier, I'm looking for center. Let's see what happens. Okay, now I have this little 0 in the middle. What I'm gonna do to make my life easier, I'm gonna copy this H stack, and paste just under this H stack. I'm gonna do that for 2 times. Okay, that's right. One more time. Great. Look at what happened. I have 3 of them over there. I just gonna change the text to make sure that I'm talking about the element B and the element C. And also change here for C. Every place you see A, you're gonna change for the respective letter. Okay, it's this one, that's right. And here has to be B. Also, this is B. Okay, right now, this is the way it looks like. And this is the way the code looks like. It's a H stack, stacking horizontally the text with A, and the element, the text field where people are going to write the values for A, B, and C, they're going to be stored in the variables we have declared on the top. Okay, So that's it for now. Next video, we're gonna do the buttons.